least you can entertain yourself. That was funny. She thought you sneezed.
Achoo!
Now you see. That's a fake sneeze.
Yeah. I'm in sound.
You're making sounds, alright. Making some strange sounds.
Hello.
Hi. You're serious.
Let's go this way.
Let's go this way. Where we going? Go
I'm
run,
in
go
sound.
run around in the rain?
I'm in sound. I'm in sound.
You're serious.
I'm sound. I'm in sound.
You're making sounds. Making sounds all over the place.
Achoo! I'm season.
I knew we finished one.
I forgot. I don't look. I always do well with you.
I don't think we won. Hi, you here to learn how to play bridge?
What is your name?
Yeah.
Rianne.
You're a pretty girl.
Say thank you. Oh, goodness.
I'm in sound.
Yep.
I'm in sound.
Everybody comments how cute you are.
I'm in sound. I'm in sound.
Made a sound. What are you doing?
Achoo! I'm season.
You're sneezing and making fart noises and it's raining out there. Just think about going to go run around in the rain.
Oh, hello. Are you staying out of the rain? Pretty wet, isn't it? Unless you want to go swimming standing up.
Yeah.
I'm in sound. I'm in sound.
Yep.
I'm in sound.
Everybody has to say something as soon as they walk by you. And say how cute you are. And
I'm in sound. It will make a sound.
make a sound.
Achoo!
You and your fake sneezing.
It's gone. It's gone.
It's what?
It's gone.
It's gone. What's gone?
It's gone.
The dog. No, woof, woof.
Okay, woof, woof.
Doctor's office is boring. Dang on, 2 hours. It's hot outside. You scream and cry and whine when we get into the building. He's coming to his doctor's appointment by himself next time. I went last time. We went last time, and we went this time, and we're not going again. At least I'm not. I'm staying home next time. I don't know why he needs me to go. It's not that hard to find. Rio! What are you doing over there? Chilling with your Minnie Mouse and shirt. She's just over there. She's over there. Like, what are you doing over there?
English muffins are on sale. Buy one,
Hi,
get one free.
sister.
Should we get those and
I don't need them.
Get some eggs.
Probably definitely get some
I know we
eggs.
need both.
Definitely get eggs. I don't eat the English muffins,
Should
so
we get it here or should we go over to Food Line?
I really don't feel like
Prices are
stopping anywhere else.
Okay.
At least not now, unless we come back out later. Come here, go to the bank, and then Food Line
We're gonna
later.
have to come back here later. But,
Or unless you wanted to get everything later. I'm ready to get home. I'm hungry.
yeah, I know.
And I haven't eaten. The only thing I ate was the Black Aloes this morning. I'm ready to get going.
Let's get the
Be
muffins.
home.